Hello everyone. Happy January 7th. Today we celebrate tempura, old rocks, and the joy of discovery and taste. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Tempura Day. A crispy Japanese favorite. A great gift could be a tempura frying kit, a Japanese cookbook, or a dipping sauce set. What's your favorite tempura veggie? Let's crunch the comments. It's Old Rock Day. A playful nod to geology and history. A thoughtful gift could be a rock collection kit, a geology guidebook, or a crystal set. Do you collect rocks? Let's share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's International Programmers Day. A salute to coding and creativity. A sweet gift could be a coding puzzle book, a laptop accessory, or a quirky programmer mug. What's your favorite program you've written? Let's code the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 6th to 10th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.